thanks for watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is going to be about the worst type of properties to buy as investment properties. The first thing is going to be those that are in declining neighborhoods. So this can be good and it can also be bad, but let me explain. So if you find a lot of property that you find other investors dumping or trying to get out of, then you need to also run because they may know something that you don't actually know. One of the downsides of also actually getting properties in declining neighborhoods is long vacancies and low rents, difficulty in finding quality tenants, which is a huge negative. You always have to ask for the rent. You always have to go find the rent. You always have to go fix something. So you want to make sure that you don't get into a declining neighborhood. The next thing is going to be homes with major structural issues. Even though you may have gotten it at a good deal, you will actually wind up spending more money trying to get those structural issues actually fixed. Structural issues can be very costly, so you want to make sure that you stay away from structural issues such as foundation issues. You want to stay away from properties that have unclear titles or have a cloud on the title. And what I mean by a cloud on the title is that an heir could actually come back later because the title company didn't do their due diligence and make claim to that property. So you don't want to ever buy a property without title insurance, number one, and a review of the title to make sure that it's clean title. The next thing is going to be overpriced properties in hot markets. Just because you see a lot of people buying in those areas, that's a plus. Or buying them overpriced, that's an issue. So you don't want to just buy just because it's a hot market, but you want to buy at a reasonable price. If you find the information in this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any additional topics that you're interested in hearing, please feel to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.